Hello watch fans, this is Anders here on Watch On channel. So a quick unboxing first impressions video of my brand new Italian diver. I really love the design of this brand, but I wasn't too happy about the pricing when I saw that they used Seiko movements. Now I actually saw that they are also providing the watches with Swiss movements, with Sellita movements, and I decided to pull the trigger and buy the watch. So let's just run the intro and have a closer look at what I bought. So you see the watch comes in this super hardcore Pelican storage box. You open these two here, very kind of hard to open, and then of course you open the box. And here is my very cool little letter here from the Unimatic team, Grazie. It's an Italian brand. You also see this kind of closing mechanism. So when you cut this open, then it actually means that it is broken the box. So let's just have a closer look at the watch. And here it is, super cool. Oops, sorry. Let me just try to put in the right watch and get right back to you guys. Sorry, really bad joke, guys. Of course, it's not an Omega Seamaster James Bond, an Omega Seamaster 300. I was just wearing this watch today and for the whole weekend, and I really love this watch. But let's have a look at what I actually bought. And here is the right watch. So this is the Unimatic U1S-MP diver. This is a stainless steel black dive watch. They also do make a field watch, and they also produce the dive watch in titanium, and you can get these Unimatic watches both with the Seiko NH35A movement or actually a Sellita SW200 movement, and I opted for the Swiss version. So when I saw at their website that they are selling these watches at around $1,100 or 1,100 euros, I decided to pull the trigger and buy this. So this is not sponsored in any way. This is my own personal watch. Really cool watch box, really cool watch. Let's just see what you actually also get. This sticker. Then you of course get a warranty card and a nice little manual here. I think this is also to just register the watch. So the typical stuff. The cool thing when you actually remove this, you see you get another place here for a watch. So that's always nice that they do something useful with the watch box, because usually the watch box is just something that you stow away afterwards. You also get a black NATO strap here, kind of grayish black. I haven't tried it. Really nice hardware. It feels sturdy. It feels really nice in the quality. So of course, as this is just an unboxing first impressions video, I'm also going to test this NATO strap. So here the watch is out of the box. It comes on this nice thin rubber strap here. I really like the look and the feel of the rubber strap. You see a lot of holes, so you can definitely find the right fit for your wrist. Really cool hardware again. And the keeper with Unimatic, so all the details are definitely in the right place. Also Unimatic at the back side here. Really very cool case back you see. You see 300 meters of water resistance. It is sapphire crystal. Very slightly domed. You see very nicely done sapphire crystal. You also see the nice detail with the bezel here. Everything is made in stainless steel, which is overhanging the case, so it's very easy to grab. That's a nice little detail again. You also see the finishing, really nice brushing all over this watch. It is definitely a tool watch. It's a very cool design, very simple, very almost kind of not Bauhaus, but almost kind of brutal in its design, very tooly, but still with all these nice details. You see, you almost don't see the hour markings on the bezel, and then in the light here you see the hour markings. I believe this is of course stainless steel, this bezel insert, which is put inside of the bezel, also a really nice touch. And then I think they will probably treat it with some PVD or something like that. Or of course give you all the details, the accuracy test, the loom shot, and everything in the full review. This is just a quick unboxing, first impressions. You see also drilled lock holes here, and I think this watch could probably look really cool on a leather strap as well. The rubber strap feels a little bit stiff, but wearing it on the wrist feels really good. 120 click unidirectional bezel. Let's just listen. No play. Super easy to grip. It's almost kind of sharp. This coin etching here, you see very nice small coin etching. Also notice Unimatic, you also get the reference here. And of course everything aligns. Really cool dial design. This is one of the coolest things with this watch. Very black, almost kind of matte black, and then you have these not applied but kind of printed simple hour markings, and then these baton style, almost sword style hands. Unimatic above 6 o'clock, made in Italy, 300 meters of water resistance, and then the color matched date wheel at 6 o'clock. No additional writing, and I really like the clean design, the clean look of this watch. Also the lume pip here. Again, we'll test the lume in the full review. Nice crown. Big crown with crown guards. And just to conclude this unboxing video, of course, some dimensions. So including the bezel, 41 millimeters. If I only measure the case, 40 millimeters. So you get a case of 40 millimeters and 41.1 millimeters. If you include the bezel, as I said before, it's overhanging. 21 millimeter lock width here, kind of annoying. I would have wished they went with 20, where if you want to put on additional straps, but as you saw, you do get a NATO strap. You can dive with both of these straps. 47.6 millimeters lock to lock. That's really, really nice dimensions. Everything below 48 is always nice on my wrist. 12.6 millimeters, which include this ever so slightly domed sapphire crystal. And the crown, 7.7 millimeters. That's a really big crown. I always enjoy a big crown on a dive watch. So let me just show you a wrist shot. And here the Unimatic U1S-MP is on my 17.5 centimeter wrist circumference. You can see I can easily pull it off. It's not a small watch, but it's definitely a perfect size for a modern, very tool-tastic dive watch. You'll see the thickness, nicely done. The case is kind of flat, almost kind of slab-sided. Could probably have done with more curving, downward sloping of the locks here. That would make it feel a little bit smaller on the wrist. On the other side, it's very original, this case design to Unimatic. Really nice to wear this strap here. So all in all, I'm very happy with what I bought so far, but of course I need to test it, and then I will be back with the full review. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to share this video, and do leave a comment down below. Did I do the right choice, or would you prefer another Unimatic watch from the collection to have a lot of different colors and designs, and of course also different movements? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.